Hello coin engineers and welcome to another great video where we will talk about an airdrop chance from SUI network. As you know, we have won an airdrop from Aptos blockchain previously, which is worth more than $6,000 at the moment. And right now, we are fully focusing on SUI network because we believe that SUI network may make an airdrop just as Aptos did. Before starting this video, check out this video's descriptions to open up the SUI Network playlist which is created by us and watch all those videos in order to maximize your chance to get an airdrop from SUI Network. And also before we start to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to not miss out any of these amazing chances. If you're ready, let's start. All we need in this video is Testnet SUI coins. And if you are wondering how to get them, check out our latest Sui Testnet video which is named Sui Testnet Wave 2 is live. You have to use the testnet faucet of SUI network from their Discord server and we told everything about it in this video. Click on the cards that you are seeing right now at the top right corner of your screen and watch this video to get your Testnet SUI coins. And if you have them already, let's move on to our video and see what we have to do in order to maximize our chance to get an airdrop from SUI network. Open up your SUI wallet again and click on the stake button. As I've staked some of my SUI coins earlier, I'm seeing currently staked 0.02 SUI. But if you didn't stake any of your coins, you will see only the stake button. Click on it and then the validator list will show up. Choose any of those validators to stake your coins. I will choose randomly one of them and when I click on it, the select amount button will appear. Click on it and write your amount that you wanna stake here. When you click on the stake now button, if you see this message, then it's done. Your SUI coins have been staked. Let's see again. Let's click on the current staked and you can see all my SUI coins which are staked to different validators at this moment. And as a bonus, don't forget to click on apps, then click on the mint and NFT button. This way, you'll be able to mint a free NFT at SUI Network's Testnet Wave 2. When you click on the NFT section, you will be able to see your example NFTs which we have minted from this button, and those no media NFTs are your staked SUI coins, so don't freak out when you see them. And as a plus, you can send those NFTs to different people from send NFT buttons. To do that, you have to copy and paste the receiving wallet address to this section and click on this button. And also you can send SUI coins too. By doing this, you will increase your transactions on the testnet and maximize your chance to get an airdrop. If you want NFTs or SUI coins coming to your wallet, don't forget to put your wallet address to the comments of this video. And also I will leave my wallet address to the descriptions and pinned comments of this video so you can send me your coins or NFTs and I will send you the both things if you leave your wallet address at the comment section. Thanks for watching it till the end, guys. I hope we're all gonna make it and win an airdrop from SUI network. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if this video was helpful to you. See you in our next videos. Take care. Until next time.